Bentonite clay. Today we'll be talking about bentonite clay and why it's so important for your health. Now let's first talk about what calcium bentonite is. And it's a clay that's formed from volcanic ash. It's naturally found in the environment and is used for cleansing the body. It also helps as a digestive aid, and most importantly, it helps with detoxification. And it acts as a bulking agent, and so bentonite clay detoxes have actually also have antibacterial as well as antifungal properties when used topically. And so that's why people put clay over their liver, over some infected areas, as well as that has some beneficial effects there. Now, it's also known for relieving GI distress, relieving diarrhea, stomach cramping, and nausea. And so for GI distress, calcium bentonite is actually extremely absorbent and cleanses the GI tract. It's also important in relieving gut and body of your toxins. So relating that to the adrenals, when your body has less toxins, then your adrenals are not working as hard and not undergoing chronic stress. Now, it also helps with really cleansing the liver, the kidney, the skin, and the intestines. And so if your intestines are regularly cleansed and cleared, that actually eases the function of your liver. And so then that makes it have less stress on your body as well. Now, it's especially important with people with adrenal fatigue to make sure when you are detoxing that you have to be very gentle. You don't want to go full force because oftentimes it can make you feel worse. So when you are taking bentonite clay for heavy metal detoxification, do it slow. You want to start off with maybe half of a scoop or one half of a teaspoon, and then you build up in that case because it also can sometimes make you constipated. And so we want to make sure that your gut can handle that process. Gut detoxes, and they actually end up feeling worse. So again, you want to make sure that your adrenals are strong enough to be able to handle that strong detoxification process. And if you are able to handle it, then go slow and make sure that your gut is healthy enough to be able to tolerate the binding out process. Again, calcium bentonite is really effective and efficient detoxification supplement. And, it's not recommended to use long term. And again, if you do have adrenal fatigue, you want to make sure that you take this slowly, and you can see benefits from that.